Oh my gosh. Show me how you draw, Rowan. Do it again. Oh, do a nice big picture for Mummy.
Mama. Mama.
Oops. Hi. Show me what you're drawing. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, you're so clever. Funny. You're funny.
Mommy!
Yeah, I know.
Mommy!
I know. You drew that, didn't you? You're so good. Show me more. Don't touch the camera though. Show me more drawing. Okay, we'll turn it off now. I'll turn it off. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.